In this video, I will show you how to create Marquee text list view in Flutter. Marquee is a string of text in a widget such that the text scrolls infinitely from one direction to another, as shown in the emulator. To achieve this effect, we will be using this Marquee package that you can find in pub.dev. Make sure you add the latest package dependencies into your pubspec.yaml file. Coming back to our main.dart file, firstly, I will show you how to create just one marquee text. Since we are using this marquee package, we can easily display a marquee text by using the marquee widget. This widget requires a text string. So I will provide a simple hello world introduction string. Now let's try out in the emulator. So as you can see, the emulator displayed one single marquee text. Next, I will be showing you how to create a list of marquee text running in the same screen. If your texts are static, you can wrap them with a column widget and duplicate multiple marquee widgets. However, this is less flexible as you could not add, remove, or update the text value. So the better way of implementing it is using List View Builder. So here I have created a list of strings that stores all the sample text. And I have created a double padding value to control the padding of each text. So now in the marquee text parameter, I will pass in the list of string with respective index. Don't forget to add item count parameter, which is the length of the string list. Now this marquee widget class provides lots of customization that you can add, such as modifying the text style, adding blank space, setting velocity, and so on. So in this tutorial, I will just showcase some customization. Before we continue, make sure you wrap the marquee widget with a size box and provide a height value. If not, you will run into infinite height error. Coming back to the customization, firstly, I will change the text font to bold. Then I can set the cross-axis alignment to start so that it starts from left. Then you can also provide a blank space value which decides how much space between each string in a row. You can also adjust the velocity, which is the speed of the text scrolling. If you doesn't want it to start from the most left, you can add a start padding value. Lastly, for accelerating curve, I will set it to linear. Linear is the most commonly used. You can try with different curves and let me know which do you prefer in the comment section below. Now let's try out in the emulator. Now as you can see, we managed to create the marquee text list view. Now there is a padding value that I have created but not used yet. In the case that you doesn't want each marquee text have the same padding value, you can make the value to dynamic by passing a computed value to the start padding parameter. Now this is how you create marquee text list view in Flutter. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial.